Welcome to a masterclass in the engineering of ownership. Today, we are decoding the secret protocol of how the French claim the world around them.
In English, ownership is a sledgehammer. We just use the word my for everything. But in French, it's a precision scalpel that changes based on the object itself.
Think of it as an ownership adapter. You have to know the gender and number of the object before you can plug in your identity.
Let's start with my. In French, this splits into three paths: mon, ma, and mes.
Use mon for masculine objects, ma for feminine ones, and mes when you own more than one of something.
C'est mon vélo et ma voiture. This is my bicycle and my car. C'est mon vélo et ma voiture.
Et ce sont mes clés. And these are my keys. Et ce sont mes clés.
Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore how the pattern continues with your, which becomes ton, ta, and tes.
It follows the exact same logic. Ton for masculine, ta for feminine, and tes for plural.
Est-ce que c'est ton sac? Is this your bag? Est-ce que c'est ton sac?
Oui, et ce sont tes gants. Yes, and these are your gloves. Oui, et ce sont tes gants.
With that foundation in place, here's where it gets tricky. His and her use the same words: son, sa, and c'est.
Remember, the word doesn't care if the owner is a boy or a girl. It only cares about the gender of the object.
Marc cherche son idée. Marc looks for his idea. Marc cherche son idée.
Mariva trouve sa solution. Mariva finds her solution. Mariva trouve sa solution.
Before we look at real-world use, one essential aspect is the Elegance Rule of French.
If a feminine word starts with a vowel, like ami, we break the rules and use the masculine mon to keep the sound fluid.
We say mon ami instead of ma amie, because the French language hates a stumble in the voice.
C'est mon ami, Mariva. This is my friend, Mariva. C'est mon ami, Mariva.
Et c'est mon école. And this is my school. Et c'est mon école.
You've just mastered the architecture of French ownership. Remember, prioritize elegance over rigid rules, and always check your object's gender.
To recap, first, objects determine the word. Second, gender and number are your coordinates. And third, vowels change everything for the sake of flow.
If this deep dive helped you claim your territory in French, hit that like button, leave a comment with your biggest aha moment, and subscribe for more cinematic lessons.
Don't just own the object, own the correct adapter. We'll see you in the next one. Au revoir.